usually the bigger you make your company and the more you do mergers and acquisitions, the more you can make more money for shareholders. The difficulty with that with AA would be that then I would want to merge all 12-step fellowships. I would want to start to take over all of them. I would want to tell everyone that the steps will work for everybody, and I will want everybody to be under one tent so there's only one bucket of money. That would be my goal. And that would be very dangerous for Alcoholics Anonymous for a lot of reasons, but one of the primary ones would be is that that's why professionalism is affecting AA so much, is that they have put everything under one label. And, you know, whether you believe in the one van theory, the two van theory, I don't really care either way. What I do know is that when people just send people to AA without taking the time to find out what problem they have, they might not be helping them. And we start to see words creep into our fellowship. And that's, I think Debbie briefly touched on language and why language is so important. The more we keep inviting these people who make a professional living off of, and like I said, I don't want to hold their job against them. I just want them to leave their job away from the podium. But not only are they using the podium to make money, they're using the podium to influence the culture of Alcoholics Anonymous. And they are introducing and inserting language that's not found in our book, like Debbie talked about. It's very interesting that Alcoholics Anonymous, it's so funny that we have the reputation of being the conservative ones, but yet compared to the other fellowships, we're not. Heroin Anonymous has the best singleness of purpose statement, maybe, of all 12-step fellowships. NA's clarity statement, I love. NA's Bulletin 13, just Google it. They don't want to hear words. They don't want to hear the word sober in an NA meeting. They want you to use their language, which I totally respect. But all that substance abuse disorder language has invaded Alcoholics Anonymous. Clean. We don't use the term sobriety anymore. Substance abuse disorder. Dual addiction. All these things